Hello everyone, and welcome again to ECED 201. Wanted to go over quickly our Blackboard site, since this is where we will be meeting. I say that in quotes since we aren't actually meeting, but this is where we will exchange information, and you are expected to be aware of and you are accountable for the information that is on our Blackboard site. So let's go over it. This is my homepage. Go to the courses. I think a lot of this you already know. And then you go to the course, and here is our home page for our course. This is where I'll make announcements. I will also email them all to you so that you won't have to be checking this to find something that may be unexpected. It will come to your email inbox and here as well. Then the next section is just to meet your instructor, a little more information about me, that I've already really shared with you in my introduction. The most important part, the syllabus. And this is where, of course, like in all of your courses, you are going to find all of the expectations for the class, the learner objectives, the assignments, the points, the due dates. And here too you will find specific directions about each assignment as well as points. But a lot of the additional information. This is the primary authority, your syllabus is. Also see the grading scale, and here please pay attention to what is expected for each week. So that is the syllabus, you'll find it here. Safe return to campus guidance. Because of COVID, there are new restrictions, revised again, as we have to do now semester to semester. So you'll want to take a peek at that to see what is new for this semester, spring 2022. Course content. We have here, I have here, some recommended websites that you can use, really helpful in terms of extra information or maybe insight into early childhood or the needs of diverse children in early childhood and teaching, early childhood education. And so there are a number of different sites. Some of these, as we go into future assignments, may be good sites for you to consult in terms of extra information to meet your assignment. Next, we have the tools. Have here, these are the standard tools, this one here, which we don't really need to use that much, but they're there if you need to. Video tutorials and overviews. This is where we'll have how to use Blackboard. Some of these videos, like how to use the discussion board, which you'll have to do this semester or actually this week. And so you'll find this here, so how-tos. Purchasing the course material, library subject guide. I don't see you needing to use that in this course, but there it is if you need to. Now you'll see here under weekly modules, this is where you will, you won't see this on yours right yet because I will not make them available until the week that we're actually working on them. So you'll see here, for right now, you should only see week 1. Each week, click on that particular module. I will have put in the weekly learning outcome. I will also include a week, well, this is week 1, to-do list. I have to save this. So this is a bit of a nuisance, but let me open it up because I'd like to show it to you. So what you have here for each week, what you need to do. And so you can do it as a checklist. The word comes from placing a check here. I don't collect these. These are just to help you organize yourself. Especially, I think it's important because you're a little more on your own. I don't have the chance to meet with you weekly or bi-weekly as I used to do. So you'll have, for this week, you need to read Morrison. You need to read these 2 kind of ethical principles about being an early childhood educator. Go ahead and look at the videos. I have a video introducing the course. And I also, this one, which you won't see yet, and then also a video just introducing the course material, this one here. Explore the Blackboard site. Here's actually an assignment that you will get a point for. Field experience is coming up, And so, well, it isn't coming up. We'll be doing it all this semester. And so you are asked, please, to contact the office. The directions are in the syllabus and on the site, and upload that. Anyway, and then there's a participation activity. So let me see if I can. There we go. And so that's just the to-do list. I'll have that each time. Here are your readings. Here is the welcome video. Here is the introduction PowerPoint. Here are the assignments, your first participation activity, and then, as I mentioned, uploading the screenshot of your request for a field placement. Won't go into all of it. You can look at it yourself. This really is meant to be just an orientation to the Blackboard site. Here what we'll have then under response to learning, assignments. This will give you a more specific, detailed information. It's really just taken from the syllabus, but it is also then here as well. So there are the assignments. Eventually you will, and here are all the different assignments that you have, the critical reflections, the exploration project, field experience, and evaluations for the end. There is also then the course evaluation at the very end. Here's our discussion board, your grades, and then this is something that I believe is just, again, for me so that I can manage the course. So I hope this is helpful. I do encourage you, please, to explore it yourself, see what you can find, and please, as always, reach out to me with any questions that you may have. Take good care. Bye-bye.